Thanks for being with us today. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye.
And I don't know a lot about these, but there was this guy that told me a real professional you could buy a smaller round, and he'd do it like a pizza dough. He could stretch it out an extra couple inches.
I'm sure he could. I like to shrink mine.
Yeah,
The clear vinyl stretches. He was dealing with that.
That's pretty neat. That's a big difference, huh?
JT with American Wanderer, putting on Kahaila's decals.
I have a shuttle bus that's a mobile sign shop. My telephone number is 910-232-7704. My email address is americanwandererusa@gmail.com. 2 sides done, 1 to go.
Thank you, JT. Looking mighty fine. Never thought I'd be able to get her decals on in the middle of the desert.
Very little dust.
Had to slow down all the traffic coming by so they wouldn't stir up all the dirt. Wet down.
I didn't see the finger.
Huh?
I didn't see the finger.
And he's just finishing up the signage for Kahaila. Great job. Who would have thought I'd have found a professional sign maker and installer in the Arizona desert? American Wanderer.
JT, the American Wanderer. Gonna yell over that, but that's okay. Everybody's working. We do vinyl graphics, logo designs, license plates, magnetics, banners. My phone number is 910-232-7704. My email address is americanwandererusa@gmail.com.
Thanks, JT.
Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.